Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to teach you guys how repeating odd works for you to take note from now on. For example, you see this odd that I tick here. You see 1.23, 1.23. You see it. For example, you see something like this on England by 7, and you see it again on La Liga by 8. The one by 7 is going to play, maybe for example on over 1.5. He play well. Then you see it again over 1.5 for La Liga by 8. He's not going to play again. That is the repeating odd. So I want you guys to take note. That's why sometimes you see odd that play well by 7 in the morning. Then by 8 again, you want to repeat it again. The odd still fail. Is a repeating odd. So you have to avoid all these things. This is how Zoom is working now. That's why any odd you are picking on over 1 or over 2.5 or both team to score or go and over 2.5, you don't know if the odd have already played in the morning. I come in the afternoon to play it. It will fail. That means they have already played it before, or that moment is still on. Maybe England have the odd and they repeat the odd again on La Liga, or they repeat it again another side, another league. Maybe the odd is on La Liga for over 2.5, for example. Over 2.5, see odd like this. Let's go to over goals. For over 2.5, you see odd like this, 1.83. Or you see 2.11 for over 2.5 on England. Then you now go to La Liga again. You see this 2.11. And you see the time now for England. For example, this one now is 23.35. That is for foreign time. Let's go to La Liga. You see their own time. Their own is 23.50. Then, if it's that 2.11 repeated on this both league, the one that's going to play first is the one on England. That is one that is going to play first, the one on England. This is how all this works. They repeat odd. If you don't know, you fall for it. They repeat odd all the time. That's how these people are doing. So you have to take note. Then, let me show you another tricks. Another trick through correct score. Once you open your correct score, first of all, target this 1.18. This is 18 odd. Let's see if there's another 18 odd here. If you didn't see another 18 odd here, then go and check on another league that is close to this La Liga with their time. For example, this La Liga is 7 o'clock. Another league close to it is 8 o'clock. Another league close to it is 9 o'clock. Then check on the one by the 8 o'clock. Check if you're going to see the same 18 on this 2-2 correct score. On this 2-2 correct score, you see this 18. Check another. If you see on the next league, then check the time. Which one is the smallest time? If it's by 7, is the first one you see. Choose the first one you see. Don't choose the second one. Second one is the one that is going to fail. And I didn't say you should pick it this 2-2 correct score. You will now go and pick it over 2.5 to be on a safe side. Or you pick it on go. Very simple. Then this is how you do all this. Let me show you this home over. This odd normally come very well. This 1.36315 always come very well. If you see it over 1.5, pick it. So this is how all this thing works. I will drop another tricks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Yes, there is another app that is always helping you to get normal soccer. Just ask what is the team that can play over 2.5 today. Then once you drop their names, you now use it to play over 1.5. This is working perfectly. The app is available. Anyone that needs this can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. This app helps you to find teams from the different websites. Once you ask that app teams that can play today over 2.5, any name that it gives you, go and look for that team and play it over 1.5. It's working perfect. All right, thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Correct bet. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you need the app, chat me on WhatsApp. All right.